All right, who wants to get snowplowed? The temperatures are dropping, and apparently sexual inhibitions are also dropping for East Coasters who are posting Craigslist ads looking for frozen fuck buddies. I am not kidding. This is currently happening. So we have the snowstorm Jonas.
No, this is the best.
Is about to hit the East Coast. And for example, these two Russians posted this on Craigslist. Cossacks, excuse me.
That's what the article said.
It calls them Cossacks or Russians.
Can I inappropriately read this in a Russian accent?
Actually, please, Haas. I was hoping someone would.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
I'm gonna stand behind you in your one shot like the other guy.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
I'm indulging you here, so don't screw it up.
But yeah, you can turn it over to perfect. Forecasting. Looks like we all getting snowed in. Fear not, dear girl. And then in the parentheses they put an S for multiple women. Myself and another comrade will help you survive Storm this weekend. With vodka and 420 to start festivities, we do more fun later. Unlike Storm, our inch is guaranteed and warm. I'm gonna read that much. I think it's enough.
That was so good.
No, okay, you guys get the picture. Literally, we have another one we can throw up.
Netflix and chill.
Throw up is the operative word. Our blizzard will be super if we hook up. Okay, so get in the wintry mix, you guys. Go find yourself a snow hoe.
I like how people talk about this like it's the apocalypse and they'll be like underground in a bunker for 3 years.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that actually needing a blizzard buddy was a thing. Were you guys
First
aware?
of all, have you met a guy before? We use every single opportunity to get laid. Every single one. If we could accurately predict earthquakes ahead of time, like we do with snowstorms.
So you're saying your earthquake kit is just a
they would
like
be
sex
like,
toys.
yo, what's up? Like, I'm gonna vibrate you worse than San Fernando is gonna get hit with the earthquake, girl. Like, boom.
Oh, Lord.
I remember the first time when I wasn't like ready for sex. I remember the first time I was like cleaning my apartment and I was like, I'm not horny at all.
You were like this stuck out in your mind.
And I was like, oh my God, like I'd have to like talk myself into it.
I've never been in that situation.
I know, but you'll get there. You'll get there. It'll happen. And you'll be like, I don't know why I'm still alive.
I've heard that there's a transition that goes from you wanting an orgasm real bad to you wanting to take a really good poop. Like that's like like there's a bridge you cross.
No, because it's a pump and dump diagram.
Pump and dump.
Okay. I didn't know extensively.
Let's get back to the frozen. The frozen fornication.
You keep using frozen, and my mind keeps going.
Let
to
it go.
So
Let it
terrible.
go. So I'm just still, what really I find amusing about all of this, of course, it's only men that I've seen, at least in the examples in this article. Please tweet me an example of a woman looking for a warm body right now. I would love to see her posting.
I know someone emailed on our list that was just like, the blizzard's here, I just poured a glass of wine. Like that is
my head of corporate development.
Yeah, but just like, I'm gonna have a glass of wine and I'm gonna probably turn on the movie and I'm just gonna get a blanket.
Netflix and chill.
But like Netflix and a warm and then maybe a nap. Like I don't think it's like women are like, oh yes.
That's what I'm saying. No, women, we know what's up. Women are not like, let me post on Craigslist because I really need some dude to wave his fucking dick around
Here is the reason.
my apartment. I just want to chill out, and I probably understand that it will be way more satisfying to masturbate in the long run than letting some stranger into my home.